Ooh.
I almost just ate shit.
I saw
I
that.
think I just pulled a groin.
You pulled your groin.
Like stretch. Stretching my leg.
Dude, look at that stone path going down into the
Mm-hmm.
rice paddies. That's
Yeah,
cool.
sick.
I always think about it, it's a little weird because what I'm doing would be the equivalent of like a Japanese guy going to Ohio and just walking through a cornfield. But, which is, yeah.
Yeah, but you don't get mountains like this. And
Yeah, there's no mountains in Ohio. Like in Ohio, you can't go to Monkey Mountain and then immediately walk to rice paddies.
And then go to a giant metropolis.
Yeah, and then
Cyberpunk.
then take a train into like downtown city, all in walking distance.
Yeah, this is sick. Look at all those rice paddies, fully made.
Oh yeah.
What are these bins for? It looks like.
So that's what they.
Scoop 'em.
Yeah, that's what they come out of. So initially, like each of those slabs, they keep in one of these bins, and then they transplant it. That bird just landed over there.
Oh, that'd be sick if you had your zoom lens.
I do. Here, you hold.
I'll hold.
Very good.
Okay.
That's actually such a sick shot.
See the bird somewhere. What you rocking right now?
So this was a Sigma Art Series 35 to 18, and then this is a Canon. This is just a kit lens, 55 to 250 EOS SL3. That's cool.
Yeah, that's sick. What a shot.
That's so cool.
You want? Yeah.
I'll fix that stuff later. This lens is too big to sit in the hole that one sits in, so at some point I gotta swap them back, but for now it's just sticking in there. I'm curious about this lake. It looks like they're... Oh, you know what? I think those are the kids that probably ran past us earlier, like probably for track and field or something.
Oh, yeah,
There's a little shed here. Ooh. Do you want to try to walk up there? That looks like real bamboo forest, not the scuffed one we just came from.
That looks sick. We got nothing to lose.
Yeah, right? Because there's no shot that we make it back time. Like,
For that shrine?
yeah, Fushimi and Army.
No,
What?
I think it closes early.
I was gonna say, what time does it close? That's the real question. But I know there's no shot voice type is gonna get this. I don't even know if I'm gonna say it right. Fushimi Inari Shrine. Oh wait, that might be it. In Fukatsu.
Yeah, Fuka.
Yeah, all the tour. Yeah, that's it. It says it's open 24 hours.
I mean, then we can go.
Oh, that's sick. Like, imagine we get there at 6.
Get there at 6.
Dusk. Ducks. Dude, those are the first ducks I've seen in Japan. Like, I've actually not seen ducks. I should have brought my clip for my gimbals not in here. Yeah, because it's the other.
Traction.
How do we get up? Oh yeah, that's definitely soccer. How do we get up to bamboo?
You walk along the road.
We want to get to the paved road, right? How do we do
I don't
that?
know how you get back there. It looks like people's backyard.
I know. Oh, if we go up this end, we can make a right where the guy with the dog is. What the heck is that thing? Huh?
Just gonna shoot at him.
Dude, what is the bazooka he's carrying?
Yeah, dude, what is that?
The problem is, I know how to ask him what it is, but I'm not going to understand what he says.
Yeah.
Because I can point at it and go, Nandeska.
Yeah.
And he's going to say a sentence back instead of just the name of it, and I'm going to be like, eh.
Soccer here is Wolverine. It's the only land they have. Crap.
Yeah, right? Dude, with the mountains, that looks so cool.
I don't think we can get over. Oh, it looks like it's fit to sell.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I wonder if that shoots out like the stuff that floats in the water. If it's some kind of like protein for it or something. I was gonna say it has to be some kind of fertilizer.
Fertilizer.
Look Konnichiwa. Did Shiba Inus really get that big?
Yeah, it's a big boy.
I've never seen one that big. I've never seen
Yeah,
one that
no,
big.
that's something different.
Like that's like
That's a husky.
lab size. It's a big Shiba Inu.
Dude, they feed that guy Wagyu.
Hell yeah.
It's Wagyu.
Oh, that's that lake.
Hmm.
It looks like it's like all cattails.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think Google Maps will show whether or not there's any trails.
Pull up Strava.
Yeah.
Some stuff like
Yeah,
that.
see who's mountain biking? Oh, yeah, if we go to the end of this and make a right, that's just like definitely some kind of...
Yeah, trail.
It's just like a little dirt road or something, but it should dip into it.
Looks like they're fishing down here with a stick. Look at it. That's sick.
I mean, Shinkansen tomorrow would make the most sense, right?
Let's see if they're catching.
Oh, little minnows out of there.
What is that? Land Cruiser?
Stoltz. Statler Toyota Hill Valley CA.
California.
But it's right-hand drive. Why would that have a California dealer sticker on it?
Is this one right?
It's old.
Yeah.
Dude, the frame's clean. Like there's not even a speck of rust on the frame. It's all coated.
Federation Japan Automobile.
Oh, that must be like a historic, like,
Yeah. Auction car or something?
I don't know about auction. It's probably just a car club. This does not have, so it does have the solid front axle, but it does not have the, they had a optional winch that was driven from, like it had a driveline off the transfer case that came up and ran the winch.
Yeah.
So it used engine power to run the winch. It was pretty crazy. There's not many of them.
Oh, looks like it's blocked.
Is
Like
it?
someone's backyard. Thought maybe I go up there.
That's real bamboo forest, though.
Yeah.
That other place being all walled off.
Other one just GMO'd.
Yeah. Cheat mode. Is this not somebody's house? It's a dude. You would never see this. It's a random shed and it's got a vending machine.
Yeah, it's got a vending.
What's in it?
It's beer. Beer.
No, there's no.
Carrying.
Well, it's a carrying
know.
machine. It's energy drinks and water and coffee. Hmm?
Produce.
Oh, you could just buy fresh produce here.
Yeah.
How far is this road? Map doesn't know where we are. Now it does. Next right, if it's not blocked off, but I think it might be where that bamboo bar going across the road is. Which is fine, 'cause it looks... Look at these trees! What is this?
Look at the sidewalk. This might be someone's house up here.
These-
It looks like it leads into another.
These trees are crazy. They grow perfectly straight. They're all like that. Just rows of perfectly straight tree. I have no clue what kind of tree that is. That's so cool.